Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. A long time no see. I feel like I haven't vlogged in over a month, which is true. So big things have happened. I've had a lot of changes and I'm gonna show you guys. First and foremost, I have moved out and into a new place. So I'm gonna be telling you guys all about that and telling you what's been happening, what's been new in my life. And I really have missed vlogging. I've missed being on YouTube and I'm just gonna jump right into it. Okay, so really quickly, I'm gonna show you guys a little room tour. Keep in mind, I moved in a month ago. I moved in on August 1st and right now it's August 28th. So I moved in 28 days ago and I am struggling to get my room clean and get like my furniture set up and everything like that. But I'm gonna show you guys. So my dad just helped me last night finally finish building this. This is the Ikea 6-door dresser in the color white. I absolutely love it. I finally was able to set it up, get all of my clothes in here. I have my TV on top. I'm having a little pothos plant right here. This is just the ring light. I just threw it over here because I have no room for literally anything. And then over here, I still have boxes. I have plants on the ground. My closet is a complete mess. I still have my suitcase in here. I have my clothes, towels, hats, all that kind of stuff. I have this situation going on and I'm just like, I have no idea what to do with like my makeup stuff, you know, like where do I put it? Then we have more boxes. I have my jewelry box over here, a broken ring light over here. And then I have the matching Ikea nightstand. My best friend bought me this for my birthday. Fun fact, actually my birthday was on Tuesday, so it was 3 days ago. It was August 25th and I turned 24, so woohoo, happy birthday to me. So yeah, she bought me this dresser nightstand, the nightstand, and I have my touch lamp on it, which I absolutely love. I have some pottery on here. My boyfriend and I painted that like 2 weeks ago. It was super fun. And then over here, you always know I have my Midnight Sun book because I'm a huge Twilight fan, and I have my laptop. And then down here I have my vegan cookbook, and yeah, I can't even open it because I still have like drills and power cords. Like I have my other drill here. I have hammers and knives over here. So overall, it's still a little bit messy, but it used to be so much more messier. Like all of this here did not exist. Like it was just the drawers that I built and they were all just like lined up right here. I hadn't put the frame yet. So my dad, like I called him and I was like, can you please come help me because I'm struggling with this and it's so annoying that like I haven't gotten this set up yet and I bought it like 2 weeks ago. So he came and we figured everything out and now I finally got to put my clothes away. So what else has been new with me? So I moved out. I finished summer classes. I passed them all. Yippee, thank God. I'm on my last semester of college. I'm gonna graduate December 2020, so in like 3 months. Oh yes, I also got a new job. I work at Tails Up Pup. I love the job, you guys. I absolutely love it. It's a dog boutique. We make bandanas for dogs. They're on Instagram. I'm gonna link the Instagram and Nick and Danny's YouTube channel down below so you guys can watch it. But if you love your dog, definitely shop from us because it's amazing. I love my job so much. I'm so like blessed and thankful to have gotten it because I used to be a server, as you guys know, like before the pandemic for 3 years, and then the pandemic hit and I was like, you know, I kind of don't like my job, so I quit without a backup job, which I had never done before. But in the end, everything worked out and I'm super happy. So yeah, my life has definitely changed in like the last month and a half, but I love it. Like this year has been so amazing for me. Like I know it's been really difficult on like the majority of people in the whole world, but for me personally, it's been one of the best years of my life. Like the best. I mean, like I don't know, I'm just like speechless by how good this year has treated me. So yeah, tonight the plan is my roommates and I are gonna be celebrating my birthday. We're gonna be playing board games, drinking, and one of my roommates is cooking dinner for all of us, so I'm super excited about that. That's really sweet of her to do. and I might bring you guys along with me. They don't know that I have a YouTube channel. I haven't told them. But you know, I might vlog. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got for my birthday really quick. My parents gave me this really cute and super bright raincoat. It's from Fila. I'll link it down below. They got it from Kohl's, but like, oh my god, I love this color. I'm so obsessed with it. I love bright stuff. Next thing they got me that is like pretty loud is this candle. It crackles. I don't know if you can hear it. So they got me this fire crackling candle from Kohl's as well. It's apple basket, spiced blackberry, and pumpkin butter scent. It smells really good. I just lit it like a couple of minutes ago. I got charcoal facial wipes, the nail salon I always go to, like a gift certificate, some money. Oh yes, this is how my name is spelled in Bulgarian. So that's how you spell my name in Bulgarian. So, oh, the other thing that they got me was a pillow. I don't have it in here because I'm sleeping on it, but it's the big one is the brand, and it's the Contour Gel Memory Foam pillow for side sleepers, because that is what I am, and it's actually very comfortable. I was like a little skeptical on the shape because it's like a wave kind of, and I was like, oh, I don't know about that, but it's actually very nice. My boyfriend got me the ring light, which you saw that was like over there. And oh my god, the biggest gift ever, like that I've ever gotten, and he gave it to me. It's a GoPro Hero 7 Black. Like, what? I cannot believe it, but like, look how cute. I've never had a GoPro, and I wanted a GoPro so bad. And I remember I talked about wanting a GoPro before our cruise, which got canceled because of COVID, but he ended up getting me one. Like, after me begging for it for like months, he ended up getting me one, because after like the cruise got canceled, I was like, well, I don't really need a GoPro anymore. Like, I really just wanted it for the cruise. But he ended up getting me one, and I'm testing it out this Sunday because we're going tubing for my birthday. I have like a week-long celebration for my birthday, and I'm very excited for that. Yeah, I also got another white Fila jacket, but it's being washed right now, so I'm gonna show you guys that like later on. But those are like the main things I got for my birthday. Yeah, and my best friend got me the nightstand, and I bought myself that 6-door dresser that I absolutely love, and I actually bought myself a memory foam mattress. I've never had a memory foam before. I've always like slept on like the spring mattresses, but this one is so nice. It was one of those bed in a box, so I was like a little skeptical of it, and I like watched so many reviews and like YouTube videos, and I was a little like hesitant on buying one, but I just went for it and I bought it, and I really like it. The brand is Tulo. I'll link it down below for you guys. It's pretty affordable. It's really nice. I slept on it only like 3 or 4 days, maybe 5 days now. But so far so good. I have no complaints. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for today's video, unless I vlog tonight. But if I don't, then I will see you guys soon.